making something. You're baking something today.
Yeah.
Oh, it's chocolate chip pie. I love eating them at restaurants. Assalamualaikum, guys. Welcome to Pakistani cuisine. So today, I saw my mom making chocolate chip pie, which is my favorite. So I'm gonna make it with her. So let's add flour. Mommy, can you help me mix it? So guys, the fun part is to mix this with my hands. So I let my mom do it for a while, and I'm gonna do it. So you guys, you wanna put it together. So guys, I'm finally done, and it took me it was kind of like a workout, and I had to do some hard work. Oh my god. So after this, we're gonna add some chocolate chips. So the chocolate chips, we have to put them inside the dough. So guys, after you put the chocolate chip pieces inside the dough, after that you separate them into parts. So after you separate them into parts, you take one part and then you transfer one part of that into a pan. And then as you guys can see, there's not a lot of So guys, I'm a chocolate lover, and I in my opinion, this is not a lot of chocolate pieces. Yummy. So guys, I prefer the white ones and the chocolate ones, but I kind of like the white ones a bit more. So I'm just gonna add 3 more. That should be enough. And you need to add them a little bit away from each other, or they can overflow on each one. And you guys need to put it for about 20 minutes, 25. It should be around that time, but you can see if it's ready or not. And the oven should be around 180 Fahrenheit.